Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this Polybag is Polybag 7798, and this is the Creator Stegosaurus Polybag. Now, if you enjoy this kind of Polybag build-along video, please think about subscribing, because I am doing one of these a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done one a day, every day for the last probably close to 5 months. So there's a bunch of these already available if you like them. And there's many more on the way if you are currently enjoying them. Alright, so let's take a look at our buddy the Stegosaurus. Oh, if you're interested in this particular Polybag, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, I've included a link to the brick set description if you just want information about this particular Polybag. So, I don't know. These Creator Polybags, so far, all the ones I've put together so far, when I start, I think, I don't like the ones that look like a living thing. But by the end, I'm usually pretty impressed by them. And so, I don't know. Hopefully the Stegosaurus will be the same way, because who doesn't like dinosaurs? Alright. So, that's that. And then, let's get it on top. Like so. And then we gotta add some Dino Feet. Maybe we're gonna add some Dino Feet. I feel like I'm going to try and add some Dino Feet. And we gotta make sure all of his Dino Feet are walking in the right direction. And then, let's see. Yeah. Make sure they're all lined up. And then, let's see. Alright, so that takes care of the Dino Feet. So next we're going to have, this is going to be the head. This is going to be the head. Am I not seeing the piece? Ah, here we go. This is the head. And this is the tail. Wow. I guess since they're the same thing, it really didn't matter, did it? Alright. So theoretically it would have mattered. Okay, so we gotta now make a Stegosaurus head. So for our Stegosaurus head, we need a green 2x1, green 1x1, like so. And then this piece, like so, and then one of these is there, and we're gonna have, he's gonna have kind of, what is that color? It's like, it's not yellow, it's like I don't know what the name of that color is now. There's a specific name for this color. It's not yellow, it's a different yellow. Maybe it's like green or something. Alright, so there's that. And so we clip on a head. So our dino now has a head. And then we add another one of these on top of that. And then a couple more of these. Like so. And then another 4x2. let's see. We gotta make the the dinosaur's tail. Alright, so the dinosaur's tail. Is this the tail? Yeah, this has gotta be the tail. Alright, so for the tail, this goes here. And this goes here. Like so. Oh no, it goes in the back. It goes in the back. And so, our buddy, the Stegosaurus, has pointy spikes on his tail. That's all Stegosauri. Stegosauruses? It can't be Stegosauruses. It's got to be like Stegosauri. Anyway, whatever the plural of a Stegosaurus is, all good plurals of Stegosaurus need to find that last spike. Okay, there it is. Just hiding in the bag. All good Stegosauri need to find that last spike hiding in the bag. And then one of these goes right here, like so. So that goes there, like so. And then this connector goes here, and it gets attached to our Stegosaurus, like so. Alright, so our Stegosaurus now has a head and a tail. Two things which a Stegosaurus would most likely need. Now let's see what we got. So next what we got to do is we put these things on it. So 1, 2. I can't grab it. 2, 3, and 4. And yeah, those are at the very back. Not the very, very back, but mostly back. Like so. Alright. And so what we do next is we have Stegosaurus and that. And Stegosaurus and this. So this one clips here, and this one clips here, going the other way. And next we have Stegosaurus and Stegosaurus. So this one clips here, and this one clips here. And ta-da! We have our Stegosaurus, which looks kind of cool. And if we so inclined, he can take off like a rocket or an airplane. But we're going to have a non-flying Stegosaurus for right now. Neat. Alright, and you get these extra pieces. So that's kind of interesting. It's not quite as lifelike as some of the later. I think this is a relatively early creator. Yeah. This one is from 2008. So, I think it's relatively early in the creator line. So, but they kind of get better, I think. This one isn't too bad. He's kind of dense around the middle with the brickness here. but I don't know, not too bad. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.